that the road is gone. It's underwater.
There's only restaurants right here.
Ooh, yeah. Sam. It's. Oh, you want to go up on the bridge? All right. Okay, let's go.
I'm talking about this bridge over there.
Okay, let's go.
Because the other bridge is really far. Oh, that bridge is for cars, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
What?
The bridge is...
Yeah.
The water's so fast. It's just moving. It looks like it's just moving the bridge.
Oh, does it look like the bridge is moving?
Yeah, it looks like the bridge is moving. Daddy, let's go. Daddy, let's go.
Up on the bridge? All right. What? Maybe what? You down here, Sam? Oh yeah, this is where you can get over here. See the big logs.
Whoa, Daddy!
What?
Look at this!
Yeah.
Look at the sign! Look at the sign!
Hey, look at that.
Whoa, look at that
It's
one!
a chair.
Look at that chair! Look at that big rock! Look at that. Look at that one. Oh, yeah.
There's a big one
Oh yeah, they're over there, Sam.
right in the middle.
Over there.
Watch. When it gets closer, you can see it.
Is it right there? Or is that...
Watch. Here it comes.
You hit the county building or the town?
Wait, right
first.
there?
It goes higher.
Wait, look at that one.
Our friend sends a video from Paradise
Guys,
Park.
look at that one.
So
Guys,
our friend sends a video from Paradise Park.
Oh, it's
Some of the homes. Oh yeah, the ones on the river are like the bottom stories. Can you see the bottom story? Okay, right here, Sam. Oh yeah, up there. Oh yeah, it's like 24 feet up there or something. Right there, right over here. Look.
oh, right there. Whoa. Wait, that's a big one.
Yeah.
Whoa, look
And then you
at
can go to the beach and build a big fort.
Yeah, I know. I took my grandson down last week and there was a lot. They were trying to clear the wood. Now they're going to have a lot more.
Some of the homeless people that build nice little homes for themselves.
He loves these two and a half. So he loves
I see a big one.
There's a big tree right there.
I see a big one coming. 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 Daddy, I see a big one coming.
All right, we got some good commentary.
Look at that one.
Yeah, the bridge is moving a little bit.
Right?
Well, I felt a little up and down.
Stop swearing.
I don't think it'll work.
I'll tell you.
Just stop swearing before you stop drinking. Thank you.
Hey, oh, it did work.
Limited.
Yeah. Oh, okay. No problem. Yeah. You're like, there you go, Sam.
The white thing, I wonder. Bucket?
I see a bottle in there right there.
Can of spray paint. Probably used for some graffiti somewhere. Hey, Sam, what do you think that white thing is right there? Right there. Oh, bucket. The bucket.
Oh yeah, a bucket right there.
Yeah.
The bridge is moving.
It's a lot of, it's like 5 or 6 buckets.
It's moving. The fear bridge is moving. The bridge is moving.
A life jacket. Wow. That's weird. Yeah, it's where there's like all of a sudden like these weird bubbles of.
I know. It's like, I don't know.
I'm not sure exactly what it is. Wonder what that, see?
All those septic
All of a sudden it starts churning for some reason.
Look,
Why?
look at that.
everywhere. Oh, good. That's some septic territory.
Yeah.
Wouldn't touch it.
Well, 17's closed. Did you see that?
I saw that more mudslides right where
That's
that,
right where the
where
they
the,
put up this new screen.
right, and where that van got stuck, that TV van.
And then the guys, oh yeah, then last week they were painting, they were painting the little wall with little paintbrushes, and backing up traffic, and everybody was making fun of them for using tiny brushes to paint the wall. Oh yeah, log right there, Sam.
This is supposed to be bad for the next 3 days. Maybe tomorrow we get a break. But
There's one over there too, Sam, on the left side. Is the river supposed to get higher or lower? Is it supposed to?
I see an orange thing. I see an orange thing.
Yeah, some kind of box right there. Maybe some garden box. Oh, okay. What? I heard snapping noise. Let's get trees. Okay, what's this red thing here, Sam?
Oh yeah, I see it. That's I think that's
It's a can of propane. Yeah, look at that. Sam, look at that big log over there.
that one.
Over there, look at over there. Right there. Look at. Turn your head.
Oh whoa!
bridge came out, it was all the logs that took it out.
When did the bridge get taken out?
Oh, 20 years ago, 20 years, they built a new one.
Okay.
So hopefully, there's another bridge.
What?
That's what we want.
Yeah, it might float away with us on it.
I don't think
Just kidding.
I don't think the logs will float.
Good.
Well, the town used to flood.
Imagine, yeah.
Whoa! Whoa, look at that one!
Oh, yeah.
Look at that one. Turn. Look at that one.
Maybe we should go visit Liz, too.
Why? There's a lake.
Yeah, we'll go see how high the river is up on the covered bridge.
Oh, yeah, that's where the flooding.
Yeah.
So that's right over near there.
I guess she said the back was still open.
Oh,
Really? Oh, the covered bridge?
Yeah, the back, they got 2 entrances. The front is closed because of Highway 9. And then the back entrance is still open. Look at another can of, what's that? Are you okay, Sam?
yeah.
Okay.
Can you,
All this stuff's going to end up in the ocean.
Can you look at that Thomas thing?
What Thomas thing?
That Thomas.
Where? Where?
I'm right next to it.
Oh, yeah, totally.
Does she have her golf cart back yet?
I don't know. I don't think so.
But that was a long
Oh, they were just measuring the river with that. They drop a string down, I think. And, should go look at the sign, Sam? What do you think the sign says? Says, oh, we'll go see. The sign says Park Trail. But, oh, look at that log, Sam! It's huge. Hey, look, do you see the ducks over there? They're cruising. Okay, here's a big white thing coming. What do you think it is? It looks more like more buckets. And some kind of, right there? A garden box, maybe. Yeah. Look, that looks like a telephone pole right there. Right there?
Oh yeah, where? Right there?
That one right there?
Oh yeah, it looks like a telephone. Whoa! Look at that one!
Yeah.
Look at that one!
I think it's a telephone pole or something.
No, that's that one.
Yeah, what do you think?
That was a log. No, I saw a big you missed a big log. It was really big. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I think I saw
Yeah? Are you ready for pizza? Pizza. Sam, look at the cute dog. Look at Yeah.